Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we're talking about that scary trend that's kind of coming on us with the UEFI firmware and secure boot problems. What's scary the most in the firmware problem is the manufacturers, in this case, most of them in China, that for some reason seem to be manipulated into maybe adding some code in the UEFI firmware that would infect systems. Now, a lot of the systems that it's been discovered on are mostly systems that are made for either business or for governments. So the firmware updates and the UEFI firmware that we get on most of the consumer products don't seem to be necessarily necessarily a problem. But I think we need to be very vigilant here. The common and most popular question, since I posted the video of how scary it is to know that you might be purchasing a computer that has, a virus loader directly from the start, and you don't even know about it, what you can do. And basically, there's really not much you can do. If it is and comes with that, for the most part, it's the manufacturer that something happened somewhere. So we have to rely on the capacity of the manufacturers in checking their own hardware and making sure that nothing is in there. So it's not up to now a major issue in terms of how many people are have that, but it's something that's been detected. Some security researchers have seen some motherboards that were infected in their firmware, and it means Windows loads, but it loads flawed, and because it loads already flawed, well, nothing can detect it, because most of the times that malware will, of course, break in a way any protection that might be able to detect it, and it will often be in places where even standard malware software cannot or have a hard time detecting anything. So it's I think really just relying on the manufacturer, maybe going online, doing some search on motherboard or systems from different companies, and checking out that they're okay. But definitely, it really puts us in a major issue where it's not like I'm careful. With what I do on the internet, I update everything, so I'm not infected with anything. Here, it's obviously at boot, so it's just already out of control, and at startup, and every time you start up. Could there be fixes? That's the other problem, because fixes often rely on Windows to run the UEFI updates. If it's flawed, it might actually break the ability to update. There could be other ways to update, but it's a known issue that is extremely difficult, and in some cases with some system, almost impossible to fix when something like that happens. The other thing that goes with this is maybe we should think about manufacturing and where it's done and how it's done to secure the manufacturing. Make sure that whoever is doing this cannot have access to the hardware to implement these things. So it's crazy world we live in, getting more and more sophisticated with viruses and problems like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.